Okay, good morning students. My name is Gaurav Rane. So I'll be taking some basic concepts about algebraic expression. We can start with some basic concept. You can see there are some basics formula you can see. So first one is your a plus b the whole square, which will be giving you a square plus 2ab plus b square. And then second one is your a minus b the whole square, which will be giving you a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is a square minus b square, which will be giving you a plus b and into a minus b. When there is no sign between any two brackets, it means there is, you can say, there is multiplication sign between them. Okay, so we'll be saying about some related to this problem, and you can use this formula in any of the polynomials, quadratic equation, or any of the linear equation in two variable, or otherwise in one variable. Okay, so moving forward to first formula, you can see example number 1 I have written over here though. So you can see 5 plus 3 the whole square. If you have seen any part of your sum for quadratic equation, if you are saying any quadratic equation or any linear equation, if you are over here, you find out 5 plus 3 the whole square. So you can write it as 5 square plus 2 into AB. So 5 and 3 will be your A, 5 you will be considering 5 as A, and you will be considering 3 as B. So you can write it as 5 square, which means your A square, plus 2 and A and B, which means your 5 and 3, plus B square, which means your 3 square. So we have used this formula a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So moving forward, you can further solve with that. As we know, 5 square is 25, and you can see 5 2s are 10 plus 10 into 3 is 30, plus you can see 3 square is 9. So you are moving forward to that, we can add them and we will be getting as 25 plus 30, which is your 55, plus 9, which will be your 64. So this was for the plus one part, where you can see a plus b. Now we will be moving to a minus b the whole square. So over here for second example, you can see I have written 5 minus 3. The numbers are same, but the sign is different. As you can see in the example number 1 there is plus, and in example number 2 there is minus. So you can see 5 minus 3 the whole square. We know the formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So students, you can see in plus, generally the a coefficient, and you can see the middle term, there is plus, and over here there is minus. Okay, so with our formula will become as same as consider, you can consider a as 5 and 2, and a and b is 5 and 3, and you can consider b as 3. So we'll be taking as 5 square minus 2 into ab, which is 5 and 3, plus b square. Okay, the plus will be same in both the cases, where you have a plus b and you have a minus b. The plus will remain same. Okay, so moving forward, we'll be getting same answers. 5 square is 25 minus 2 into 5, that is 10, and 3 into 3, that is 30, plus 9, 3 square. Then third, you can see 25 minus 30. So students, you can see over here 21st, if you have any number and there is no sign in that number, so there it has plus sign, and you can see the second number as the minus sign. So plus minus is minus. You have the bigger number is 30, so you can write as minus 5 and plus 9. So moving forward, you will be getting answer 1. Why 1? Because we have the greater number sign, which is plus, that's why we have answer plus 1. So this was for the a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Okay, so we'll be saying some using this formula. The third formula was a square minus b square, which will be given to you by a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we'll be taking some formula from this. Sum is from class 10th for quadratic equation part, we can see. So you can see over here, that is 25 m square is equal to 9. So students, we can write this part also as, we know that how 25 comes is by 5 into 5. And how does 9 come? 3 into 3. And we know m into m will be your m square. So we can also write this as 5m the whole square minus 3 square equal to 0. What we have done, this 9 became 3. We have shifted this 3 to this side. So yeah, you can see over here the 9 was plus By shifting on left hand side, it will become minus 3 the whole square. So moving forward, we can also write this as 5m plus 3 into 5m minus 3. You can see the formula over here. This is a square minus b square will be given to you as a minus b into a plus b. So you can see, students, I have applied this formula over here, a square minus b square, which will be given to you a minus b into a plus b. So I have written over here 5m, which is your a, and 3 is your b. So 5m, which is your a, plus 3, as you can see over here formula. You can the minus can be written on the first side, or also the plus can be written on either side. No worries, you can do that thing. So plus या minus, no worries, plus can be written first and minus can be written at the second time, it's fine. So we'll be solving this. Moving forward, we can solve this as 5m plus 3 equal to 0, 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Why I have done this? Because quadratic equation, in quadratic equation there are two answers. As in, you will be getting one answer in plus or minus and minus, or plus and plus. Won't be the sign won't be the big query. The answer has to be 2 in quadratic equation. So we'll be getting as 5m plus 3 equal to 0, 5m minus 3 equal to 0. Further, we can write it as 5m equal to minus 3. Then y minus 3, we have shifted this plus 3 to on the right hand side, and 5m y plus 3, we have shifted this minus 3 on the right hand side. So we'll be getting as 5m equal to minus 3, 5m equal to 3. Moving forward, you can see m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. How this 5 came? 5 and m. There is no sign between any variable and any coefficient. So the sign is multiplication. So I have shifted this 5 on the right hand side. So it is multiplication with m. So on the right hand side, it will be in the denominator position, that is the division position. And you can see over 5 m equal to 3. You can shift this 5 on the right hand side, so that the 5 is over here has the relationship with m is multiplication. You can shift this 5 over this side, so it will be the denominator position. So you will be getting your answer as m is equal to minus 3 upon 5, m is equal to 3 upon 5. So students, you can see we have learned about three formulas, that is your a plus b the whole square, which will be giving you as a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can see, I'll take you on the same page again. So this was the formula which we have seen, that is your a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we have seen a minus b the whole square, which is your a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you can see the third formula was a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay students, so that was it for today. Okay, we'll be continuing with another more concept. Okay, thank you.